Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the battery sensor fuse is located. The battery sensor is super important part of your charging system. We'll explain where that fuse is located and we will explain why it's important to test fuses even if you're replacing it with a new one. So make sure you stand till the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So this is the engine compartment right here, and next to it excuse me, we have that fuse box guys. We have one tab right here, one there. You need to squish, pull straight up. On the back side you can see the fuse is printed. What we did, we actually guys went ahead, okay, and printed and zoomed it a little bit so you can see with a greater detail. But the fuse guys, okay, that you need to check for the battery sensor, which, okay, your battery sensor is located right here guys. So if you have problems with it, always make sure that wire is connected, make sure you don't have corrosion, make sure that battery acid didn't damage the sensor as well, and make sure you have good ground wire as well, clean one. So the fuse that you need to check, it's known as fuse number AMS, 10M fuse guys. So if you come from the fuse puller 1 2 3 4, it will be the fourth fuse guys. This is your fuse puller, so you're counting 1 2 3 4. This 10M fuse guys is the one that you need to check or replace. Get the fuse puller, grab it, pull it out. This is it guys right here. So you can see that's the fuse. Super important guys to always test the fuses even if you're putting a new one guys, because sometimes even a new fuse could be bad and it takes only a few seconds. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, so please check it out. Very important guys. And if you need to buy replacement fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.